Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today welcome you to yet another HG marathon. Today we got their AWE album, I believe. And I know there's Winter Without You and Undefeated that I will be missing here because these are not on this album. But I'll get to like their single releases in another video. I feel like when I finish the albums, then we'll get to their singles. I think that's the best way to do it. Even though it won't be in the chronological order, I think that is the best way. This is still before I release the first reaction to XG, so I don't know what your thoughts are. I don't know anything. I'm pre-recording these. I definitely know that I have been messing up the members' names and have been mistaking them, and I don't know if it will be better in this video. A week and a half, around 2 weeks since I first did the first two videos that you've seen by now, and I haven't watched anything from them, so it might be a little bit. I feel like I'm mixing up Hinata with Julia, so yeah, I feel like these are the members that I'm mixing up the most, which I'm very sorry about, and I will be trying my best to get it, and it takes some time, but I will definitely get it. And I am very excited to get to yet another couple of songs and choreography videos for this album. We have HOWL. I couldn't find any lyric video or anything. It's very short, so I guess it's like an intro. Then we have Howling music video and the choreography, Space Meeting skit, lyrics, I Know You Know, music video and choreography, Something Ain't Right, music video and choreography. Something Ain't Right I've heard definitely, so it won't be my first time listening to it. Woke Up, official music video and choreography. And then though there's also In the Rain, which I've checked out on my other channel, I believe. But I think it is in this playlist, on this channel. If you'd like to see my reaction to In the Rain, it is in the playlist on this channel, but the video itself is on my other channel. And I've also heard Is This Love, so I won't be watching the music video because I've heard the song and watch the music video when it released. There's no sense for me to sit here and react to it if I've seen it. Thank you so much for being here, and let's get to this album. Hope you enjoy it. First is HOWL. I love their logo. Wow. That gave me goosebumps. Wow, that's pretty. Those little sounds. Howling. Yes. Alright, that was a cool intro. That was very grand and pretty. Howling. Oh. Sped up. Of course it is. I always forget to check. Sorry. I was like, why is it going so fast? Alright. Hit again. Let's start. Howling. Is that a bass? That's cool. Howling. That bass. Whoa. Gonna. Oh, I love the synth. Judy. Ooh. Harvey? I like those little sounds. Maya. Rappers back to back to back. Hey, her flow. Hinata? This is Hinata. Chisa? Pretty. Oh wow, I didn't expect this chorus. Pretty. Those hummings are so pretty. Their music videos. Pretty. I think this was Julia. And she's moonwalking. She's so cool. Harvey! The way this looks. Hey. She looks gorgeous, Maya. You're gonna... so cool. Hey. Hinata. Julia. Pretty. The howling in the back is pretty. Harmonies. Hinata. Gorgeous. I love the chorus. This choreography is also cool. We'll see the choreography in a minute. This music was gorgeous. The music videos are gorgeous. Whoa. Julia. Pretty. Those harmonies, their harmonies are so pretty. Oh, their music videos. Pretty. I probably should pause and like try and get their names. All of them. So from right. Jurin, Maya, Kona, Hinata. This is, I guess, Julia, right? Damn, I don't see all of them. It's pretty dark. I think I'm getting them now. It's a little bit, I feel like... Woo! Hey, this choreography looks very cool. I'm very excited to see the choreography. That's pretty. The music videos are so pretty. I appreciate the art every time. It's so gorgeous. Choreography. I love that bass. I don't think it's bass. Those strings, whatever that is. Then these outfits. Hey, bro. Bangs up. Hey. Their choreographies are so like they tell a story. That's so cool. Wow, pretty. Hinata. I am mixing up members, I know it. Vocals are so pretty. It's so pretty, those lines. Damn, bigger back. Ooh, like a pack. Oh, I like the camera. Oh, that's cool. Harvey. Hey. Oh, I love this camera. It looks so cool. Pretty. This is Chisa. This is Judy, I think. Pretty. Pretty. Those vocals. The vocalists are so insane. A lot of floor choreography. Hey. How are they doing it? Pretty. The X. Pretty. Hinata. This is Julia. Hinata and Chisa. Pretty. Pretty. Ooh. Oh, that's cool. Wow, that outro sequence of the choreography was so cool. Like them joining and then very cool. Love that. I love the choreographies because they are so like they're telling a story as well. It really goes well with the songs that they're what are they singing about? The skit.
Unidentified object is spotted on site. The speed is unmeasurable in knots. It's fast. It's
Ooh.
Base, do you copy? SG, do you copy? System override. Connecting signal. Target locked. Engaging.
Whoa, eerie. Creepy. Eerie. I know you know. Whoa, this is going to be cute. Oh, vocals. Oh, it's very cute. Oh, wow. Oh, I've heard this. I've heard this. Whoa, I didn't see the music video though. Hey, Jurin. Chisa. Vocals. Oh, I love this. You know that, damn. This is pretty. Maya. Whoa. Maya, this one's. Harvey. Oh, so cute. Julia. Pretty. Wow, she's so gorgeous. What? Whoa. Oh, that looks so cool. Oh, she looks so good. Her hair. What's there? Run. Gorgeous. Oh my god. So cute. Dancey dance. Hey, that looks so good. Those little sound effects. Oh, this song is so playful. I love this. Just love her voice so much. Gorgeous. What's happening? This looks amazing. The colors are so pretty. They look so good. They're underwater. Am I imagining it? Oh, I love this choreography. The shots, the camera angles, everything, the lighting is so pretty. That's so pretty. Wow. This music video was gorgeous. Their music videos. Those harmonies. Gorgeous. Their music videos are so pretty. I cannot believe every time I'm watching these. So gorgeous. So we are going into the music that I've kind of heard. Because it seems like I've heard this song too. That's pretty. The visual aspects a lot. Hey, a little bit of like walking. Wow. I love how a lot of like there's a lot of walking in the choreographies. Like who is singing is going up to the front and all. So pretty. That's so pretty. Hey, this choreography is very cool. Howling. Julia. Pretty. Pretty. Hey, I like this choreography. I like how they're changing like kind of the angles. Hey, so cool. So gorgeous. So cute. Hey. So pretty. Hey. Pretty. I love her voice too. As I said, I think I said in the previous one too, I love how much fun they have. They always like look at each other, laugh and all. They have fun with it. That's what makes it so cool and good. They're so cute. Him. I like the circle. See how much like walking around? It's very cool. Very good. Another choreography part 2. Very fun. Huge. Very playful. Like the song. Yeah, I've heard this so many times. I don't know where. I think it was in just like shops. I feel like it was playing everywhere. I think this was the choreography that had a little bit, whoa, like walking choreography. Looks so good. Wow, the makeup. Maya? Her voice. Look at that. Ooh, the makeup? That looks so cool. The eyes. The makeup, the colors. Oh my god, she looks so gorgeous, Judah. These looks. Tisa. Yeah, this is definitely. Yeah, the choreography. These looks. Wow, Hinata. My voice is giving out. They look so good. Hey, Howling. These looks are so cool. Just so like playful. So pretty. I love her voice. She's singing a lot in this. So pretty. Hinata? she's damn, they look so good. I love these looks. It's so cute. What? I was so scared. No, is it Julia? Who is this? I literally am not recognizing people here. The looks. This is Hinata. I love the eyelashes. The red eyelashes. Those harmonies. Okay, so I think this is Julia. Cute. This is Hinata. Kona, love the makeup. Those beads, whatever that is, it's so pretty. They're having an album soon too. I'm definitely getting to it. I will catch up until then. Oh. These looks, like the colorful. I can tell I didn't think so. Pop. There's so much going on with the choreographies, it's so fun. Focus. Oh, the choreography. This choreography, it's so hard. The choreography of hands. So good. Damn. Oh, those choreography, that spin. Oh yeah, it sounds so good on this. Oh, I love this song. I feel like they make me love songs that I usually wouldn't really love because it's so like bright, and I don't usually like bright songs. I don't know why, I just am like this, but they make me love it every time. She's so good. I really like this choreography. Like they're just walking, but it's so like changing formations and all. It's very cool. Yeah. Pretty. I love just her too. The orange. That's a fun choreography. There's harmonies. There's so many ad-libs, vocals. Gorgeous. That was so good. Love this. Also love this song. I love everything. Woke Up. I think I've heard this too. Now it sounds familiar.
Yeah, I've been here waiting, looking at him, trying to catch up, take it how you wanna take it. Left the place and panic,
Dude.
left to take another planet, left to make another statement. XG, baby, say the names right, spell it out so you can learn it.
I am doing that. I am doing that, exactly that.
Can tell we all made it work for us, made it, but we had to work for it. Work,
Hooray.
work, work, so perfect that it hurt, don't it? Surf for them, right away, right away, right away, cause we had the right away.
Those.
Flying past, we fly away in the outer space. Drop top in a coupe, I wanna hop up out of this plane.
Excuse me, Chisa. Gorgeous vocals. Hey. Maya. Oh my god. This is where they... Alright, yeah, I've heard this. So cool, the rap. Dude, the rappers, killing it. Hinata. Hey, the choreography. The way she's saying skin. Hey, who is that? Julia? Oh wow, gorgeous. Julia and Hinata. They're all getting it. Hey. Hey, don't make fun of my kids. Hey, oh my god. They're killing this with the rapping. Those melodies, whatever that is. The flow. Hey. Oh my god, Kokona. Wolf and attack. Oh, this choreography. Hey, this choreography is cool. Love how she's saying it. Hey. Love the instrumental. Hey. Walk. Walk. So good. It's so like, I don't know, what do you call it? Like low-key. Low-key? Like it's not hitting, it's not in your face, you know? It's not like powerful, energetic. It's very cool and like laid back. The rappers were going at it in this one. Very excited to hear. I mean, everyone was getting at it. Hinata, Julia, Chisa too. Hello, girlies. Everyone's getting at it. The rappers too. Well, they're so... Alright, I'm looking at the choreography. Hey. Chisa. I am so known this girl. She made my bias. Killing it. Death flow. The choreography is so cool. The looks. The choreography is so cool. It's like a song for the haters. I love this part, it's very catchy. I love this choreography too.
flex, go easy. Tag it up, graffiti, drop a pin.
Oh wow.
Rip the show and
This
that's all I
choreography.
know, I'm supervision. Y'all just built on superstitions. Watch me do everything, everywhere, all at once, all the time, all around the world. Woke up looking like this, so don't get under my skin.
Love how differently they're singing this. Yeah.
So don't make fun of my kids. We all family stand tall now, so don't talk down to my kid.
Hey.
Sit up, party, floating like it's Mardi Gras, yeah. You can
Harvey.
call me Harvey, but I'm not your Barbie doll, yeah. Party,
You can call me Harvey, but I'm not your Barbie doll. Thing. The way they're just like, this is my name. That was cool.
So don't get under my skin. Woke up looking like this. Woke up looking like this. So don't get under my skin. Woke up looking like this.
They're so cool. Love this song. It's just like, if you don't know me, hello. That's my name. We're all a family here. Yes. Wait, is there not more? That's it? We finished? That was very quick. I feel like it was very fast. I think we only have the singles left, like the single releases. I think I checked out all the albums now. They have an album incoming, so that's amazing news. I definitely will be checking that out. But they released a couple of days ago, 4 seasons. I think it was like yesterday or 2 days ago. So next week, we are doing all of the singles that I missed. What is it? I am trying to think what these are. Winter Without You, definitely. Undefeated. Is This Love? In the Rain, I've heard. Million Places, I think I haven't heard. And 4 seasons, so 5 videos. I mean 5 songs. Maybe more videos because I might check out the choreography video or something. But next week we have 5 videos to go through. And then my journey with their music will be done. I'm really enjoying all their stuff. Their music videos are so creative. And that's what I said in the last video too. It's so gorgeous every time. They are just bringing something so new to the scene. I love how their music videos are looking. It's so creative. It's so fun, playful, different, characteristic. It's just like when you see it, you know it's XG. And it's so cool, so perfect. Everyone who's working on these videos, amazing. The stylists, the makeup team, who is filming it, the editing team and everything. It's so pretty, so gorgeous. Everyone, it seems like it's such a team and they're working so well together. Amazing in every video. Love how it's looking. The members are so talented. The rappers are so good. Jurin, Maya, Harvey, Kokona. They are so good. So good. And then we have the amazing vocalists. Hinata, Chisa, Julia. Crazy. Every member is so talented and every member brings so much. I feel like the rappers all have such different cool aspects to themselves and the vocalists have that as well. It's such a nice combination with the rappers every time killing it with their verses and whatever they're rapping and singing. And the vocalists, the harmonies and everything, it adds so much. And every track is built on all of these members and it's so beautiful every time. I am so happy that I am getting to know them finally and that they won the poll. And I hope you enjoyed this journey with me. I know I am mixing up the names sometimes and mixing up the members sometimes, but I'm trying my best. And with time, each time, I'll be getting it more. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this journey as much as I did. And as I said, this is still before the release of the first reaction, so I don't know what you think yet. But I'm very excited for you to see my journey and I hope that you will enjoy it just as I am. I'll see you next week for the 5 videos, the 5 songs. And then we will be waiting for their next album that they're releasing soon. and maybe check out some more stuff. I know they performed on Coachella, so I might do it, I guess, on Patreon, but I might. I definitely know that I won't be able to go back and watch every single performance that they've ever done, every single appearance on shows that they've ever done. It's not possible for me. I'm a full-time student, but I definitely want to now keep up with them and their stuff, especially their music. They're so talented, and I really want to follow them and support them in their work and their artistry that they're doing, because it's gorgeous, like inspiring. I don't know, it brings so much fun into my life. I love it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and for your support. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.